In this project, I'm going to be showing an implementation for what is the firmware and the application around this 6 degrees of freedom robot arm designed by Emre Kalem. The idea here is that to be able to support different modes of operation. One is serial, the other one is teleoperation, basically using your hand arm. The other one is BLE, which is pending, and the other one is Wi-Fi. So in this scenario, the idea is to show the first one, which is with the serial. So let me go into modes and let me see. Let's go to serial and to app the microcontroller, which is RP2240W with Wi-Fi, is already set up with the firmware on Python. So let's go to app, and here you can build the application to use pyside, or you can directly run it with Python for serial robot app. So what you are going to be seeing here is a really simple control application that defines the serial port, what is the home, basically connection, and which of the servos you want to disable, basically to start testing each one of the servos without having any kind of fluctuation. So let me just put home, let's just connect, and basically the arm now is ready. I can do this and it's going to be moving the base. If I do this, I will bring the shoulder. This is going to bring the elbow. This is going to move the wrist in pitch. This is going to be rolling the wrist, and this is going to be moving the gripper, basically. And you can set up, in order to avoid breaking the servos regarding to the limits, to use different values for the, say, the maximum left and right values. So 100 to 180 is a right value to use in the gripper in order to avoid moving above the value that the servo may allow. So this is the first stage, which is basically to be able to control the system. So any configuration that you set, it will be saved when you close the application. Also, you can do home, and it will go directly to the homing position. Thank you.